Welcome to the Monday Make, a series of STEAM do-it-yourself videos brought to you by Mach 1 at Phoenix Public Library. I'm Lori, the Mach 1 librarian. Today we're going to make salt dough starfish. Are you ready to make something? Here are the supplies you'll need to make a salt dough starfish. 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of salt, half a cup of water, a measuring cup, and a bowl to mix everything in, and a pencil for making designs. Remember kids, before you start any DIY project, be sure to have permission from your grown-up. The first step in this project is to make the salt dough. I'll get started by mixing equal parts of flour and salt in a bowl. Next, add the water, about half a cup. Mix everything together and then knead the dough by hand for a few minutes until it's soft. If your dough is too crumbly, add more water. If it's too squishy, add more flour. To make the starfish shape, start with a ball of dough. Gently pull out 5 blobs evenly spaced around the center. These will become the arms. Try to make them as equal as possible. You can always add more dough or take some off if a starfish arm is too small or too big. If your dough starts to dry out and get crumbly, add a few drops of water with your fingers or a brush. Gently pull on each arm evenly to shape it to look like a starfish. You can push it on the sides and pull the arms out, then lightly press on the top and sides to make a basic starfish shape. Did you know that starfish are marine invertebrates? That means they live in the ocean and don't have a backbone. Starfish typically have 5 arms, but some species may have more. Starfish have been living on our planet for over 450 million years. Once you have the basic shape, use your creativity to decorate the starfish. There are so many different varieties of starfish out there. You can look for starfish pictures on the internet to get some ideas. You can decorate your starfish using small pieces of dough to add dimension. Once you've done that, use a pencil or another object to poke holes and make a design. Once you've made all of the starfish, you can let them air dry. It might take a few days or even a week. Or you can ask your grown-up to bake them. If baking, place them in a 325-degree oven and cook them until they are firm to the touch and baked thoroughly. This can take about an hour for a small starfish or 2 to 3 hours for a bigger, thicker starfish. After the starfish have dried, you can paint them or add other decorations if you want to. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun making salt dough starfish with us. Please share your finished project with us on Instagram. Ask your grown-up to take a photo and post it using #TheMondayMake and #Mach1PPL. And make sure you don't miss our next video. Subscribe to the Phoenix Public Library's YouTube channel. This STEAM DIY video has been brought to you by Mach 1 at Phoenix Public Library. We're a space for makers, artists, crafters, and hackers. What will you make next?